Welcome to J&J's test video of S2MA248. This is a 02 Miata, 200,000 miles on it, 6-speed, has a little mist to it. I've been driving it around to make sure the transmission all works. I'm driving back over and show you what we got. You can hear it missing. I think it might have a dead hole, or I don't know. We'll leak down to find out, but somebody will buy it. Has a nice roof on it. Just an old worn out car. She did her time. I got all the gears to engage. Nothing ground going into gear. Like, there's third, and there's fourth, and there's, oh, come on, give me fifth. Oh, the third. There she was. We're here now. Let you hear what it sounds like. You can watch the tack. See it just right there, it won't rev. Now she won't rev at all. There she goes. So we'll see what we got. When she idles, this car has seen some stuff, I like to say. Comes right off, dives out. See what we have. I'll take her apart. Doesn't have terrible blow by. A little bit. So give you a walk around and that'll be that. 248. Rusty rockers. Has a spoiler, maybe a wheel, a rear bumper, taillights. Window regulator works. Driver's side has a terrible front bumper on it. Ooh. Show you that window works, and she's done. And that's it. Thank you for watching. As always, have your pets spayed and neutered.